Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day 25 of 31 Days of Halloween Nails from Jilly's Nails. Now, if I start randomly giggling during this video, it's because it's the third time I've tried to record this voiceover, and I just keep going, I'm Daffy Ducking it. So, we're going to try this one more time and see what happens. This polish color, I did not take down the name. I thought I did, but I didn't show it unless I do it later. I don't remember. We'll see. We'll all be surprised together. It is definitely a one coat stamping polish. It was frigging awesome. Loved it. Like normally I will go in and do two coats just to make sure it layers smoothly and all that. This one did not need it at all. It just went right on, completely opaque in one go. Very nice stamping polish. After that, I'm going to go through with my Sally Hansen Quick Dry Top Coat. Last time I called it a clear dry. Quick dry top coat so that we can get that set and ready for some stamping images. And I don't know if I've mentioned this in this video. This polish was doing this a little bit, and I think you can see it in the end photo some, where it bubbled a little bit. They don't put beads in these, so I don't know why it does that. It just, for some reason, it'll get a bubble trapped in it, and if you're not careful, it will transfer to the nail. So keep that in mind if you use that polish. And it is starting to get thick again, so I'm going to have to thin it back out. And now we're just going to go through and put a latex barrier on the nails we're going to stamp. Today we are stamping some haunted, like, some of them are funny, some little kind of creepy haunted trees on 3 of the nails. It's cute, it's simple. I was going to layer it, like do a light color with a darker color on top, and when I stamped it I was like, no, it's good, I like it. It's cute. So we're going to use this Lilac Clouds color from Maniology. And I'm going to move through these quick. And this is one of those easy kind of tips you can do. You don't have to clean every plate off as soon as you're finished with it. Stamp, set it to the side, go to the next one. And when you're done, wipe, wipe, wipe. That's less risk and less time while your mani is very wet that you're getting it anywhere near cotton or anything that could damage it. I love that one. It's so cute. It cracks me up. He's like, rawr tree. I love him. And this one I think is a kind of short, squatty one. We're going to call that the Jilly tree because I'm short and squatty too. Yeah, he's cute though. And do you see that bat manicure? I'm still obsessed with it. I can't get over it. And I got really ticked because it came off in like 12 hours. Good job putting on the peel off base coat thick there, Jill. It worked a little too well. And the last one I'm going to use is this haunted tree that has tombstones around it. I think he's kind of cute too. He's a rare tree too. I like them. They kind of just give me the giggles. I don't know why every time I see trees like that, it reminds me of the trees in The Wizard of Oz around the Tin Man where she picks the apples off and they all start getting mad and smacking her for stealing the apples. I don't know why. It just does every time I see these. Look how cute they are. Then we're going to go in and use the quick dry top coat again. And I gave it a couple minutes to let it dry, and I was still mad at such feet, so we definitely didn't use that, so I didn't want my mani cracked again. And that is the finished design. I really hope you like it. If you did, click on my face in the upper left hand corner. If you want to see more, click in the upper right hand corner. And please share it with your friends. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. If you have questions, leave it below. I will answer them on my lunch breaks at work because I'm obsessed with nails and that's what I love to do. So if you have a question, comment, want me to meet another one of your friends, send them my way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.